Hey everyone, it's Hazel here. If you're building a clothing brand, I know one of the biggest hurdles is finding a reliable manufacturer that gets your vision. You need someone who can turn your sketches into real, high-quality pieces without the hassle of miscommunication or delaying timeline. And today, I'm breaking down the key things to look for when choosing a manufacturer, and I'll also share why METBO, our team, might just be a great fit for your brand. Let's dive in. First up, when searching for a manufacturer, location isn't just a dot on a map. It's about access to resources that make your production smooth and evident. With countless factories specializing in every style imaginable, from casual basics to high-end outerwear. But what really sets us apart, the largest fabric market in the region, is just a 15-minute ride from our office. That means we can source the exact fabrics, trims, or accessories you need in no time, take samples quickly, and even adjust materials if you want to tweak your design. No more waiting weeks for fabric samples to ship from across the country. We have everything at our fingertips to keep your project moving forward fast. Next, you need a clothing manufacturer to handle your unique needs. Whether you are making a basic tees for a streetwear brand or intricate jackets for a luxury line, we're a fully mature manufacturing team, and there's almost nothing we can customize for you. From everyday t-shirts and cozy hoodies to structured blazers, waterproof jackets, and even small accessories like custom buttons. All we need is your design, a sketch, or even just an idea. They'll take care for pattern making, sampling, production, and quality control. This flexibility is key. Whether you are a new brand testing your first collection or an established label scaling up, look for teams with a proven track record of handling diverse garment types. This ensures they can adapt to your brand's specific needs. Communication is make or break when working with a manufacturer, especially if you're halfway across the world. Prioritize teams that work with international clients regularly, like those from the UK, US, Australia, and beyond. There will be experts at cross-cultural communication, no more language barriers or misinterpreted designs. For teams that speak fluent English and keep you in the loop every step of the way. You should get regular updates on production progress, photos of samples before full production, and easy access to answers for your questions. Bonus points: if the team has a keen eye for fashion, those who understand global trends can offer small suggestions to elevate your design if you want them. Remember, you're not just hiring a manufacturer, you are gaining a partner invested in your brand's success. So to wrap it up, finding the right clothing manufacturer boils down to three key factors: location with strong supply chain access, versatility to handle your design needs, and seamless communication. If you're ready to take your brand's clothing line to the next level, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Links to contact info are in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any other questions about clothing manufacturing.